How to trade delivery contracts on Binance. Trading delivery contracts on Binance is easier than most beginners might think. All you need is a futures trading account. There are 5 steps involved in trading delivery contracts on Binance. Step 1. Open account. Open a futures trading account on Binance. You need to enable a 2-factor 2FA verification to fund your futures account before you start trading on Binance Futures.
Step 2. Deposit funds. Transfer your assets into your futures wallet. Deposit funds in USDT, BUSD, or cryptocurrencies supported by Binance Futures. Binance Futures support a wide range of crypto assets as collateral.
Step 3. Choose contract. There are 2 types of crypto futures contracts available on Binance. They are USD-Margined Futures and Coin-Margined Futures. Select your preferred crypto futures contract. For example, if you want to trade delivery contracts, you can select BTC USDT Quarterly 1231 contract from the USD-Margined Futures, or select BTC USD Quarterly 1231 contract from Coin-Margined Futures.
Step 4. Select leverage. Select the appropriate leverage for your delivery contract.
Step 5. Place order. Place orders according to the various order types available on Binance Futures. For starters, you can select a buy limit or buy market order when purchasing your first delivery contract. Start trading crypto futures as delivery contracts on Binance today at www.binance.com/futures. You can also sign up for a Binance account with the link in the video description.